pond, the Moto Preacher enjoyed his breakfast and coffee with a sun-kissed view. Fluff McGuy Booger kept the royal company, quietly mooching.
Fluff McGuy Booger! Ladies and gentlemen, Fluff McGuy Booger! His Majesty, Fluff McGuy Booger! Fluff McGuy Booger! Fluff McGuy Booger!
Sorry, buddy. There's nothing falling off this plate for you. Ah, look at that face. I just can't resist it. Sorry, I got distracted. You know, I got a weak spot for mooching animals, just like the Moto Preacher. Back to topic. Where was I? Right. The Moto Preacher was ready to hit the road again. The weather, promising. Distance, not far away. Riding, easy mode. Let's roll. Our Public Street Brothers!
Feels like heaven's come down. In this moment, I'm stuck in the fire. Something went terribly wrong. Time you beyond your own. The soul's the only one carried the fire. I'm starting to really call your name. All is lost, we can't deny the Clichés are falling like rain. Lost the fact that we're all the same. Give the fallen aside. Moving, but we're falling behind. The summer's the only one carried the fire. I'm starting to really call your name. All is lost, we can't deny the
And just like that, after hitting a speed bump, the Moto Preacher was catapulted into a black hole that sent him time traveling to another era. Where the heck was he? It looked unlike anything he had seen before in the Philippines. Everything looked so different. So español. Dios mío. Ay, ay, ay. faded into night, the Moto Preacher received an important message from the mountain province. Tomorrow, you would be granted an audience with a Filipino legend. Stay tuned to see where the Moto Preacher's journey leads in the next episode.